It all starts with an idea, but you never know where the idea may end up. Ideas take flight and spread. They can change, they can grow, and connect us. And sometimes things aren't always what they seem. In this fast-moving world, good news can move at the speed of light. So here at your school, we keep you informed. Welcome to the Mullica Morning Howl.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside? Check out the ground, check out the sky. What word would you use to describe what you see? What is the temperature, how many degrees?
Hey guys, this is Storm Tracker Audrey reporting for Mullica Morning Weather. Today is a high of 61 and a low of 43, and it's partly sunny. Here's a weather fact. Do you know the hottest temperature ever recorded in the USA was 134 Fahrenheit? See you guys tomorrow, and happy National Tooth Fairy Day.
Check out the weather, what's it like outside?
Good morning, Mullica. Today is Wednesday, February 28th, 2018. Here are your morning announcements.
Jazz band meets today at 9:50.
8th grade students need to turn in diploma information as soon as possible. We have 18 students missing paperwork. Please see Ms. Raybush if you need a new form.
7th and 8th grade student council, homeroom reps and officers. Please meet with Dr. Mazzoni and Ms. Sheldon in the upstairs PD room during your lunch period this Friday, March 2nd. Make sure to bring your lunch with you.
Attention middle school students. Did you forget about chorus yesterday? Chorus is starting up again for the spring. We meet every Tuesday and Thursday morning from 8:20 to 8:50 a.m. We will meet again this Thursday. Please see Ms. Ocheski in room 71 for a permission slip. All are welcome, even new members.
Mullica volleyball team opened their season yesterday with a 4-1 victory over North Wildwood. Every player contributed to the victory and played well. Outstanding serve by Jacob Thompson, Ava Hammonds, Abby Witterbottom, and Sarah Goodrich, along with a great field play by Rourke Watson, Tiernan James, and Madison King. Led the Coyotes' domination. The team will develop their skills and record by having a practice today until 5:15.
Roll out the red carpet for Mullica Literacy Night. Lights, camera, read. Join us Thursday night for a fun night full of movie-themed reading and writing activities. Fun for all in the gymnasium. The fun will start at 5:30 p.m.
Today is the third day of Read Across America Week. Today's Dr. Seuss book to highlight is called Wacky Wednesday. Hope to see you all in your wackiest outfits. Tomorrow is Hat Day. Here are some pictures from the twins yesterday for Twin Day.
book recommendation.
Hey guys, it's Gabby here, and the book that I recommend is called Take the Key and Lock Her Up. I recommend this book because I like books that have adventures. It's about a lost princess that's being hunted down to be back to the throne. I think that if you like adventure princesses, that you will like this book.
That's all we have for you today. Thanks for joining us, Coyotes. Enjoy your day. Bye!